guys, so it's the end of the month, so I got my empties, which I reuse the same bag for every week. This bag is so, I don't know, they don't even make the Sephora bags like this anymore. Now they make them like, out of like paper. I guess this is paper, but I don't know. I get so many uses out of these, or use them as gift bags, so anyway, it's kind of sad. But anyway, okay, so on to empties for September. I don't have a whole lot in here, but I've got a few things I finished. So, number one, just finished this up, Azclear, Azelaic acid, 20%. I love this stuff, and my friend Elias sent me several more of these goodies, so I'm loving it. It's just made a huge difference in my skin. If you haven't tried Azelaic acid, highly recommend checking it out, because I thought I had my routine down pat a couple years ago, and once I added this in, it started to make a huge difference, especially with hyperpigmentation. It really helps brighten your skin up. So Azclear, it's affordable, moisture texture, lotion texture, really wonderful product. Okay, next up, the Illiyoon head to toe, top to toe body wash, no fragrance in it. It's a large bottle, 500 milliliters. I just use this as my regular all-over cleanser. Really does a nice job, pretty gentle, not too harsh, rinses clean, does a good job, removing sunscreen, everything like that, and no fragrance in it. So I just wish they were cruelty-free, because then I'd repurchase it, but now I'm on to testing something else out, so whatever. Okay, Paula's Choice, 4% BHA treatment. This stuff has been a pretty good staple in my routine when I do my exfoliant. I usually do exfoliants one night, then retinol the other, then exfoliant, and on and on and on. And this stuff really does a good job. 4% is probably one of the highest products out there for it, so it's not for very sensitive skin or newbies to exfoliants, but if you've had good luck with 2% BHA products but looking for a little bit of a boost, it might be worth trying for you. But typically 2% for most people will do the trick. So, okay, next up we've got the Paula's Choice Discoloration Repair Serum. I really like this stuff. Yeah, so really nice for hyperpigmentation, which I have. I've been testing a lot of products out. The Topicals Faded is wonderful. The Regimen Lab Level Serum, this stuff's nice. The Peace Out Dark Spot Repair Serum's great. This stuff is wonderful. It has a lot of good ingredients in here. Bakuchiol tranexamic acid. Okay, next up we've got the Paula Peach and Lily Good Acids Pore Toner, which is typically blue shade, really nice, has a little bit of the fragrance in it. I didn't notice it really, but eggplant in there, turmeric in there. Really nice, very gentle. I wouldn't really call this much of an exfoliant, but it is a nice product overall. Peach and Lily does a nice job with their stuff, so. Couple more things, not too much left. The Facetheory Chiromasque, which you can apply to your hands. It's kind of like a hand mask almost. It's very thick, very hydrating. I really like this stuff. I would repurchase it. I have a few other hand creams I'm working on finishing first, but when I circle back, I'll definitely pick this one up too, because I really enjoyed it. And then last but not least, Skin Fix Berry Lip Fix. I don't even think they make this stuff anymore, but I really like it. It's not super thick, not super heavy. It has a little bit of a berry scent or flavor to it, but it's kind of a light moisturizer for your lips. Not great for like super dry lips or winter time, but in the summer and spring was really nice. So really got a lot of use out of it. So I guess that's all I have. It's kind of sad. I mean, I didn't do them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I didn't finish that much this month, but anyway, I got a lot in the works. So, but every single one of these products I liked. I would repurchase any one of them in a heartbeat and be happy with it. So anyway, interesting from you guys. God, it's a short empties. It's like not even 4 minutes long. I'm like slipping. I better start hurrying up and finishing some stuff up this month. So I don't know. Anyway, yeah, that's all I got. So it's sad. But anyway, interesting from you guys what you had a chance to use up. Leave a comment. Love hearing from you guys, and stay tuned for more tomorrow. Thank you so much. Bye, guys.